Now, YouTube, right now, they got my wall plate all the way up. We got the maid's quarters inside the store. We'll do a later video on the inside, and we'll do a later video on the scaffolding. But right now, this video is on the roof. So basically, we made an A-frame, or an eagle's nose or bird's nose, like this. Ceiling joist, 2x4. It goes from one side to the other side, 12-footer, then the 12-footer jack board going this way, or a rafter board. Then we're gonna put a jack board across the top, a 2x3. The good part about Africa, they don't plane their 2x4s. So in America, you get a 1.75 inches by 3.5 inches, or actually get 1.5 inches by 3.5, which they consider a 2x4. Here you get a true 2x4. So these heavy beams is kicking my ass. I'm about to get back to work. That was just showing you a short video of the process of day 4 of this storage slash outside bathroom. Eventually one day, a couple years later, we're gonna add a living room here and just make that a part of our house. But not today. Thank you.